Assalamu alaikum. We are here on stage of Ali English House Academy. Ours is a unique school where we have additional opportunities to our students to develop their communication and personality through the speeches and through the interviews. Inshallah, let's hear a speech from this girl.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Saida Fatimatu Zahra. I am studying 4th standard A section. My dear brothers and sisters, how are you all doing today? That's really wonderful. I would like to thank Ali English House Academy for giving me an opportunity to develop my personality. Today I am going to say a hadith. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Al-Jannatu tahta aqdamil ummat. तर्जुमा जन्नत माओं के कदमों के नीचे है. Thank you, Jazakallah khair.
MashaAllah, that's a great hadith and the speech. So the meaning of the hadith, what she said is, the Jannat or the paradise or the heaven is under the foot of your mother. So with more such speeches, we'll be back. Please share and subscribe. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.